Hello, my name is Mr. Wilke, and I'm here to review exponents with you. This was our exponent properties page. So the directions say simplify using both methods and write without negative powers, show all your work. So one method is expanded form, one method is using the properties. I'm going to do number 2 here with expanded form. I'm going to do number 1 using the properties. So let's start with number 2. I know that seems weird, but we're going to do it anyway. So starting with number 2, expanded form. Before I do everything in expanded form, I am going to do one property, which is to put all of this together with the negatives on the bottom. Remember, negative exponents, to write them as positive, you put them in the denominator. If they're already in the denominator, to write them positive, you put them in the numerator. So let's start. We'll have 2. A, B, 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 all over C. My whiteboard's not very sturdy, as you can tell. This is my kitchen, not my classroom. Times -5, B, C, over A times A times A. All right, so we expanded this. Now, first thing we can do is reduce out common factors. If there's anything that's a common factor in the numerator and the denominator, they reduce to 1s. So now all we have to do is multiply together what we're left with. We have 2 times -5, which we know is -10. Negative times positive is negative. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 b's, so b to the 5th all over 1, 2 a's, a squared. So our answer is -10 b to the 5th over a to the 2nd. Good? Good. Now, this side, using the properties, we've got all of this to the 3rd power. Does anybody remember what's the property for power to a power? What do we do with the exponents? That's right, yes, we multiply them together. Good. So here I'm going to have -7, don't forget parentheses, to the 3rd, x to the -9th, y to the 3rd, z to the 6th. Now, multiply this out. Negative times 7 times -7 is positive 49. Times -7 is negative 343. X to the -9th, so we're going to put that on the bottom. And then we'll have y to the 3rd times z to the 6th. So this is using the properties to simplify. Any questions? We're good? Excellent.